Alright guys, I guess my e-bike just arrived. Let's see. Okay. Hey, what's up? You're bringing my e-bike, right?
Yeah, I just need a signature
Okay, cool.
before I bring it out.
Alright, so here you go.
Thank you.
Yes.
What's the last name?
Lobo, L-O-B-O.
Alright, I'll be back in like 2 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna be here. Oh man, there you go. That's huge. Yeah, I sort of feel like it's like a mini motorcycle. That's how I see it. Okay. Call me silly, whatever. Alright. Yep. How many of these do you deliver usually?
These?
Yep.
Not many.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, the first one I'm delivering.
Really? The first one? Okay. Alright. Thank you very much. Yeah, oh, yes. Thank you very much. Have a good day. The box is pretty big. Wow, look at that box. But there's a handle in here, so it's easier to bring it in because otherwise it would be very complicated to pull this by myself. So this is the bike. There you go. I can't believe it has been delivered. What now is I'm going to be unboxing it and I'm going to be putting it together. Let's see. Wow, man, look at that. So happy, really happy. Okie dokie, let me put this thing down. It looks fresh. It looks pretty new, as it is, brand new. Okay, fender. Alrighty. Okay. All right. What is this? The battery? The battery just came like this. Okay, attached to the bike. So I got myself the battery. The battery is right here. It is heavy. It is sort of heavy. It's big. Let's put it a charge because we want to have some juice to ride the bike to work today. I am going to start riding my bike to work tonight. There's a box here. I got the tools in this box because I don't have any tools at home. You know what I mean? All right. Headlights. Headlight looks pretty vintage. Okay. Paddles. Okay, what do I have here? Battery charger. Wrenches. All right, regular wrenches. And this is the RIDSTAR eBike user manual. Release the screws. I'm done. I'm tired of driving, and I feel like I really need this type of adventure. I'm turning 42 Monday, Memorial Day. It's gonna be a good day for a ride. Wheels are on. Now, handlebar. This thing is big. Thought it would be way smaller. I thought it was like a clown bike, but it does not resemble a clown bike. It's pretty tall, actually. Wow, amazing. And if I need to go somewhere, even the supermarket, and if I need to go to the gym or whatever, I think this will do the job. And especially go to work and back home, of course, commuting. The display looks bigger on camera than it is like right here. If you compare it to my face, look, it's actually pretty tiny. I have a big head anyway. I can't help but taking a sip on this. Solid. All right, so my child just arrived from school and he's checking out the bike. That's not set up completely yet, but he loves it. How do you like the bike?
It's awesome.
It's like a motorcycle, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big
Man,
awesome.
it's huge. I think the handlebars are too high. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna have a lower handlebar, more like cafe racer style. You know, I was afraid it would be like a clown bike, very small, but it's actually not. It's a pretty tall bike. Yeah.
Here's the box for it.
You should be good. If you are 5'5", then it should be good. I'm 5'10". If I'm not pedaling, which I don't think anyone wants to pedal on these things.
Yeah.
They want to
Just ride
use the
along.
motor. They just want to use the motor. The battery is here. It's not fully charged, but I'm gonna try out the bike. Here's the key, the keyhole. Let me get the key now. Yes, yes, battery is locked. Let's go for a spin. Let's take a look. So this is the bike. Come closer, let me see how big the bike is near you guys. Come over here. Wow, it's certainly big. Let's see, let's turn it on.
Okay.
Let's get it going. Honking is good.
Really loud.
It's pretty loud though, yeah. I don't know how to start it. Oh, I did start it now. Look.
Now this?
Yeah,
Wow.
I did start it. You guys ready?
Yeah, let's go.
There we go.
Alright, go. Wow.
Come on! Whoa, this thing is zooming, baby! Do you think you can race me? Let's try. I got to like 25 miles an hour. I know I can get to 30. Let's start from here. Let's go. It's really, really fast. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. It feels really good. You just go. I'll catch you up. I'll catch you up. Be careful. I'll catch you. Be careful out there, guys. "25 miles an hour. High five. High five. Impossible to catch, man. This thing is zooming.
It's really fast.
Want to take a ride?
Sure.
Just be careful. All right, be careful, buddy.
Wow.
Come on, guys, wait for me. Give me my bike back. I don't want to ride this. Come on, give me my bike back, buddy.
Can I go full speed all the time?
No, be careful. Be really careful. You don't want to go over the hump. Oh, yes, yes,
It
it
feels
is.
like I'm flying because it's so big.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I didn't even look at the mouth round.
Well, I don't know about the other bikes, but it's the first one that I ride, and I really, really like it. The brakes are working fine, but it's brand new. It's my first ride, so you can't really compare. Yeah, going on the grass feels great. So no chance the kids will catch this beast. RIDSTAR Q20. There you go. Unboxing and first ride. So this was the unboxing and setup of my brand new RIDSTAR Q20. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and thank you very much. Have a good day.